Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to remove your Samsung account without the password. To do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on accounts and backup. From here, tap on manage accounts, then tap on your Samsung account. Now to remove your account, just tap on remove account. From here, just select remove, then select sign out. Now on this page, just select verify with one-time email. Now after you select this option, then tap on send email and go to inbox. From here, just tap on got it and tap on take me to Gmail. Now as you can see, we have successfully received our one-time email. Just open the email and tap on the name of your Samsung account. Now once you do that, then go back to the settings app. And as you can see, we have successfully signed out of our Samsung account. Just like that. And this is how you can remove your Samsung account without the password. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.